Yeah. So guys, it's inaudible to all of you, please. So can you confirm in the chat box, audio, video, everything is perfect? Please reply in the chat box quickly. Audio, video, everything is perfect. Can you reply in the chat box, all of you? Thank you, Ravi, Teja, for all, please. Thanks for Ashok. Yeah. Raj, yeah, thanks, Raj. Yeah, thanks for replying, all of you. Very clear. So, is there any new joiners for today? Is there any new joiners for today? Is there any new joiners for today, please? Okay. So, who are all new joiners? Who are all new joiners for today? Please go to YouTube, type DURGASOFT, and go to the channel, and go to the playlist, and go to the playlist, and go to the playlist. You can find here so DevOps with AWS by Lakshmi Rao at 8:30 AM. So go to this playlist and you can able to find last class demo.
Hello, my name is Suraj and I'm working as a data scientist at Master.
Got it very clearly. So please visit last class demo. It is a second demo class. It is a second demo class. So first demo happened last class, last day, and please visit this recorded video from YouTube. And we are going to be starting for today second demo. Got it. Okay, very good. Okay, so today, so our agenda is so what is AWS? What is AWS? What is AWS? And before starting for today's session, let us overview of what is AWS, which I have discussed in the last class. What exactly we have in the last class, just to overview. After overview of that DevOps, we are going to be discussing for today what is AWS, and let us understand after that DevOps versus AWS. And this is an exactly agenda for today. This is an exactly agenda for today. What is the agenda, guys, please? AWS. And what is the difference between DevOps and AWS? That is an exactly agenda. Got it? Who are all missed last class? Please get a recorded video from YouTube. You can get it. Please visit. That is an exactly agenda, please. Okay. And before starting our session, let us overview of this course. So what exactly we are going to be delivering in this course? This course is designed for complete DevOps, complete 100% AWS, and Linux basics, shell script. Got it? So we are going to be spending 75 days for DevOps, 45 days, more than 45 days for AWS. So totally, the total duration of this course 4 months plus. So for learning this course, so the Linux basics is required, that I will be covered. Shell script is required, that I will be covered. So for practicing, you required a laptop with the minimum Windows 10 Pro and 4 GB RAM and i3 process. So for learning this course, so programming is not required and we are not learning any programming. Who can join in this course? Freshers can join in this course. Any experience like developer, tester, AWS admin, Linux admin, Windows admin, or DBA, or any non-technical, please, or any graduate also, any graduate. So which are all the benefits of this course? If you join in this course, daily class recordings you will receive via Google Drive after payment only. So this video recording up to 12 months. This video recording up to 12 months, please. Please. Got it. So resume preparation, I will help you. Interview question and answers, I will give you. So for real-time projects, live projects, I'm going to be covering you. 80% of materials I will give you. Our classes starts from basic to advanced. Our classes start from basic to advanced, and each and every class we'll discuss with practically and implement in front of you, and that will be an assignment you need to complete on the same day. So got it. So after completion of this course, you can able to get a course completed certification from DURGASOFT, and it suits for only for freshers, not for experienced. Okay, daily classes. So our class timing is what? 8:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. So Monday to Saturday classes. Monday to Saturday. You're gonna be paying fee 12,000 rupees for full DevOps, for full AWS, for daily recording sessions. So if you want to talk to admin, so please call to followed by numbers. Followed by my numbers. Please. So I'm going to be copy paste in the chat box. Please make it note. So which are exactly seeing in the below, it is my course content. Course content by helping of below link, please. Please visit this link. So just to copy paste in the browser, you can able to see what are the course content we can able to. Just to copy paste in the browser, you can able to get it. So the second document is what exactly I'm going to be covering in this DevOps syllabus. So the third document is what exactly, please, AWS content. Please go through this once. Please go through these two contents, please, once. Yeah, that's an exactly our course overview. That is an exactly our course overview. So just first let us overview of this DevOps. Then we'll start what is AWS for today. Got it? It's very clear, please. It's very clear. So let's begin the session, please. So so what is an application, please? Anybody help me in the chat box? What is an application? Anybody help me? What is an application? The working software which is written any programming language. The working software which is written any programming language, we call as what? Application. The working software which is written any programming language like Java, .NET, Python, any programming language, we call as an application. That application we are going to be placing in server side. We are going to be placing in server side. So after that, we can able to access over an internet as a application. It's like a Flipkart, what I mean, please. What I said very clearly, what is an application? The working software which is written any programming language, we call as an application. That application we are going to be placing on server side. After successfully placing on server side, we can able to access over an internet as a website. as a website. But what is SDLC, please? SDLC in the sense of what? By helping of SDLC, we can able to produce a working software, and we are going to be deliver and deploy on production servers. Then there itself we are going to be accessing as a application, as a website. Got it? What I said? By helping of SDLC, we can able to produce a working software for our business, but can able to deliver the working software as a overnight? No, we can't. But if you want to produce a working software for our businesses, we need to follow. These are all the stages: analysis, design, implementation, testing, deploy, and maintenance. By following these stages or phases, we can able to produce a working software. How? So first we are going to be analysis. What kind of business this we should be analysis. After successful analysis, we are going to be design. Means how exactly it will be implemented, which technology we going to be please. After successfully design plan, we gonna be implement by using programming, any programming like Java, .NET, Python. But whether it is software is working or not, it's gonna be verified by using element test cases or automation test cases or any kind of test cases. And then we are gonna be deploying onto the production servers. After successfully deploying onto the production servers, we can able to access over an internet as a website. That's it? No. So after successfully deploying our application production servers, whether it is working or not, we need to monitor a maintenance. This entire flow we calling as what? SDLC. 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 Understood very clearly. SDLC. But this SDLC process we call as what? Complex pipeline. This SDLC process we call as what? Complex pipeline. Why we are calling complex pipeline? Because of from analysis to design, design to implementation, implementation to testing, testing to deploy, deploy to maintenance. It is a manual process. It is a manual process. Due to this manual process, if you got any issue in the middle, for identification, for resolving issue, it will take a long time. So that's the reason we calling as what? Complex pipeline. What is it? I'll repeat one more time. Listen very carefully. Why we are calling complex pipeline? Our SDLC process, while delivering working software from dev environment to production environment, we are following this SDLC process. But this SDLC process is a manual process. So due to this manual process, if you got any issue in the middle, to identification, to resolve the issue, it will take long time. To resolve the issue, it will take long time. If it is take long time identification, that means it will delay. If we delay, the cost will be increased. And quality will be reduced. That's the reason we calling as what? Complex pipeline. For your understanding, it is water pipeline. In real-time water pipeline is an underground. Somewhere else it's blockage. It is not a leakage, it is a blockage in underground. How difficult to identify, guys, please? Definitely it will take a long time to find out what are the issues here. Definitely. and resolving issue also it will take long time. That means it will too cost, and it will be increase the cost, and so and quality also it is decreased. So that is the reason, we are going to be replacing, as a DevOps engineer, we are going to be replacing complex pipeline with a transparent pipeline. We're going to be replacing with what? Complex pipeline with transparent pipeline. So the DevOps is a transparent pipeline. DevOps is a transparent pipeline. DevOps is a transparent pipeline. Got it very clearly, please. So we are going to be replacing with what? A complex pipeline with a transparent pipeline. So from dev environment to production environment. So as a DevOps engineer, our roles and responsibilities start from dev environment, ends with operation. That means we are part of coding, build, test, release, deploy, operation, and the monitoring. So we are going to be implementing a transparent DevOps process with an automated way. With a transparent DevOps process, we are going to be implementing an automated process. That means if you got any issue in the middle, easily we can able to identify the problem. Easily we can able to give the solution. That means as soon as possible we can deliver, as shortest time we can deliver our application within a shortest time, with the high quality, with low cost, with low failure rate. This is an exactly DevOps. DevOps is a process, it is not a technology. DevOps is a process, it is not a technology. We are implementing DevOps process with a transparent way, with an automated way, from dev environment to operation. For example, for your better understanding, so we have a water pipeline. It is a visualized, a transparent pipeline. So the water, while flowing water in this pipeline, somewhere else blocked. So if it is visualized, if it is transparent, so can able to find this problem within no time or not? Yes, we can able to give the solution within no time or not. That means the speed will be increased, quality increased, cost is reduced. Understood very clearly. Very clearly. The same way our DevOps process also. So as a DevOps engineer, we are going to be replacing with a complex pipeline with a transparent pipeline. Complex pipeline with a transparent pipeline. As a DevOps engineer, we are going to be implementing this DevOps transparent pipeline from dev environment to production environment. While implementing this DevOps transparent pipeline, we are going to be part of coding, integration, testing, release, deploy, operation. But to be frankly, we are not part of planning, we are not writing any coding, we are not writing any test cases. Just we are implementing DevOps process from dev environment to production environment with the transparent way, with an automated way. That's it. But let us understand one by one. So what exactly roles and responsibilities in each and every stage in dev environment, integration, testing, release, deploy, operation. Yeah. So anyway, we are not part of planning. We are not bothered about this. Yes. We are not bothering about this, please. Fine. But in dev environment, developers are writing a code. But as a DevOps engineer, we are maintaining a source code. What is it? developers are continuously writing a code, the lines of code which is written by Java lines of code or anything, please. Those lines of code we calling as a source code. The source code we are going to be maintaining under repositories. Under repositories as a DevOps engineer. Writing is responsible by the developer. Maintain is responsible by the DevOps engineer. But how many developers are writing code here? How many developers are writing code here, please? How many developers are writing code here? N number of developers are writing code here. The all developer source code we are going to be integrating continuously. And we are going to be getting a comprehensive source code. That's a comprehensive source code. We are going to be executing test cases. We are not writing any test cases, but which is written by the testers, just to be executing only in this process. While executing test cases, if you got any error, any bug, it will redirecting back to the developer. Developer has to fix the issue, again integration, again test. This loop will repeat until 0 errors and 0 bugs. Until 0 errors and 0 bugs. With this 0 errors, 0 bugs, we call as what? The working software as an application. The working software as an application, please. Got it very clearly. The working software as an application, please. There was a working software as an application. Clear. The working software as an application we are going to be placing on release, means we're going to be halt a particular period of time because we can't directly moving into the live. We will halt a particular period like one month, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or else monthly once. Okay, after period of time, please, after month, please, after 2 weeks or 3 weeks, we are going to be placing on production servers. On hundreds of production servers we're going to be placing. We're going to be placing on hundreds of production servers. Hundreds of production servers. So this entire flow is a transparent way and automated way. This is an exactly DevOps process. After successfully deploying our application on production servers, then there itself we are going to be accessing or an internet as a website. That's an exactly DevOps flow. That's it? No. So we have to maintain and monitor our applications. Maintain and monitor is nothing but what? Is nothing but what? Operation. Got it very clearly, all of you, please. For implementing this DevOps process, we are going to be learning tool stack, please. So Git we're going to be learning. Maven we're going to be learning. Jenkins we're going to be learning. JFrog we're going to be learning. SonarQube we're going to be learning. Git is a version control. Maven is build tool. Jenkins is a automation tool. JFrog is a release. JFrog is a release. SonarQube is a code analyzer, whether the developers are following standards or not. So by helping of these are all the tools, we are going to be implementing a CI/CD process. CI/CD, continuous integration, continuous delivery. Continuous integration, continuous delivery. Got it very clearly. And after successfully delivering our applications on JFrog, is nothing but release. After successfully delivering our application automatically from dev environment to release, from here we are going to be deploying onto the production servers on hundreds of production servers. So those hundreds of production servers we are going to be an automate. We are going to be an automate by helping of by helping of Ansible and Chef. Ansible and Chef. So either creation file, deletion file, installing software, uninstalling software, copying files automatically on a hundreds of production servers, automatically by using Ansible and Chef we can do that. But these hundreds of servers we are going to be getting from AWS. We can deploy our applications on production servers, on AWS servers, or directly we can deploy on Docker container also. Please. Those Docker containers we can manage by Kubernetes, control or manage by Kubernetes. Got it very clearly. And we are going to be learning Vagrant. Vagrant is a virtual provisioning tool, please. Got it. Virtual provisioning tool. By using Vagrant, we can able to create a virtual machines in your development environment, in your laptop. By using Nagios, we can able to monitor like what are the RAM size, what are the CPU utilization, what are the RAM utilization, what are the server is down or not, we can able to monitor. Elk is a monitoring tool, whether it is application is working condition or not, whether performance good or bad, so it will be monitored. And we're going to be learning Terraform. Terraform is a cross cloud platform. We can create a servers in any cloud, either AWS or Azure or a Google. Okay, we are going to be learning these are all the tools: Git, Maven, Jenkins, JFrog, SonarQube, Ansible, Chef, AWS, Docker, Kubernetes, Vagrant, Nagios, Elk, Terraform. By helping of these are all the tools, we are going to be implementing our DevOps process with a transparent way, with an automated way. Got it very clear, all of you? Perfect. What is the DevOps? We understood very clear. Today, our focus is what? Our focus is what, please? What is AWS? What is AWS? So before understanding AWS, I'm going to be asking very first question, please. What is application? What is application? Please tell me. Can you reply in the chat box, please? What is an application? Anybody help me? Please. What is an application, please? Anybody reply, please? Divya, Ravi, please. Teza, Ajit. I'll address each and every question. Please bear with me because of let me complete my end. Definitely end of the session, I can address each and every question. I will talk to you, please. Please let me complete my end. Definitely we'll discuss all together. All the questions will be clarified by the end of the session. But please bear with me just one more 20 minutes. So tell me, please, what is an application, please? All of you, please. Can you reply in the chat box? Please reply. The working software which is written any programming language we call as an application. Got it. So by using DevOps process, we are going to be deploying our applications on production server with an automated way, with a transparent way. It's very clear, all please. We are going to be deploying our applications on a hundreds of production servers by using DevOps process. But for implementing, while implementing this DevOps process, we require a hundreds of servers. Am I right? Hundreds of servers. Am I right? But so for deploying, for maintaining these applications, so what kind of infrastructure required? Please tell me, what is infrastructure? Please help me. What is infrastructure? Anybody help me? Please. What is infrastructure, please? Infrastructure is nothing but what? For example, if you want to maintain your office, you require maybe chairs, sofa, tables, files, systems, computers, AC, we required. These are all infrastructure required to maintain your office. The same way, to maintain our application, what kind of infrastructure we require? We require servers, we required network, we required databases, we required storage, and so on. So many. So these are all major infrastructure required for deploying our applications. But the next question is, but how many ways to get above infrastructure? Above infrastructure. How many ways to get above infrastructure? We can able to get it physically, physical environment, from virtual environment, or else from cloud environment also. Got it? I said very clearly, for deploying our applications on hundreds of servers while implementing DevOps process with a transparent way, with an automated way, we required a infrastructure. That infrastructure is nothing. That infrastructure is servers, network, database, storage. But this infrastructure, we can able to get it either physical environment or virtual environment or cloud environment. But tell me, what is cloud compute? What is cloud computing? What is cloud computing? What is cloud computing? If we can able to access the remote placed resources over an internet from a laptop is nothing but what? Cloud compute. What is that? Very clearly, please help me. What is the cloud compute, please? What is the cloud computing? Please tell me. If we can able to access the remote placed resources over an internet from a laptop, if we can able to access is nothing but what? Cloud compute. Cloud compute. Cloud compute. Cloud compute, for example, for our understanding. So this is the data center. This is the data center. The data center has huge computing power, keeping in a rack wise, in a big room, we calling as a data center. Data center, just like this. Just like this, please. Got it very clearly. So, but this data center is located in remote place, means in US, in Singapore, in Mumbai. From this remote place resources, from this remote place, if we can able to access a server or a network or a storage or a database over a internet from your laptop is nothing but what? Cloud compute. I said what I said? The remote placed resources, if we can able to access over an internet from your laptop is nothing but what? Cloud compute. Cloud compute. But these are all whatever we are going to be getting, the remote placed resources like server, network, storage, or database, whatever may be, is the rental based. Is a rental based. We are not buying anything, it is a rental based. Instead of buying, we are going to be getting rental based infrastructure. Easily we can able to implement our DevOps process. Understood very clearly? Anything for our understanding? For your understanding, I want to go to railway station. I want to go to Railway station by car. We can get the car by two ways, either buying car or rental car. Which is easy for you, please? Guys, please reply in the chat box. Which is easy? Buying car easy for just for reaching a railway station, or rental car? Guys, reply. You should be replying. I'm waiting for you in the chat box. All of you. Rental service, rental car. So that means we can book a rental car like Ola, Ubera. We can get the car within 10 to 15 minutes, and we can reach your destination and fulfill your purpose. And what are the tariff we're going to be pay? Then catch a train, you're go away. That's it. So we're not worrying about the car. We're not maintaining any car. We're not worrying about driving license. We're not worrying about pollution check. We're not worrying about insurance copy. We're not required driver. These are all advantages. Am I right? If you go for rental car, the same way, instead of for deploying our applications, just for deploying our applications, are we going to buy a server or rental server? Which is easy for you? Please tell me. Which is easy for you, please? Which is easy for you? Please tell me. A rental server or buying server for just for deploying our applications? Which is easy for you, please? Rental service. We are going to be getting a rental service, and easily we can able to deploy our applications. Got it very clearly. But if you want to maintain, if you want to buy and maintain servers, it is not easy. It is very difficult, guys. You need to buy the server. We need to pay 100% amount. We get the server. We need to keep a data center and maintenance, like AC bill, current bill, monthly rental, employee salaries. It is a lot of headache to maintain the physical server, guys, please. In our own data center, it is very difficult. That is the reason. Reason. Instead of buying and keeping and maintenance our own servers, just we are going to be getting a rental infrastructure from cloud, from any cloud. We can go for any cloud and get the infrastructure, and easily we can able to deploy our applications, please, easily. That means any cloud provider providing rental based resources for deploying our applications. Either we can use Azure, AWS, anything, any cloud. But we are going to be learning what? AWS. AWS is a first cloud provider. AWS is a first cloud provider, please. AWS is a first cloud provider. First cloud provider, please. By using AWS, we can able to get so many services, so many modules. So in this AWS, we are going to be discussing totally 4 modules. VPC module we're going to be covering, EC2 module we're going to be covering, RDS module we're going to be covering, S3 module we're going to be covering, please. Got it? It's not a services. We are going to be covering modules. VPC, EC2, RDS, S3 module, please. S3 module, please. Understood very clearly. So, but let us understand this role, please. What is VPC? What is EC2? What is RDS? What is S3? Let us understand for a little bit, because we're gonna be learning complete AWS. Complete AWS we're gonna be learning. Let us understand first. What is VPC? VPC is nothing but what? Just like your office network. Just like your office network, please. Just like your office network. Understood very clearly. Understood. Very clear. VPC means what? Virtual private cloud. Virtual private cloud. Virtual private cloud. How exactly your office kind of network? How exactly an office kind of network? A private network, isolated network. You have internet cables connecting with all the laptops, all the system in your office or not? The same kind of network we are going to be getting from internet in a virtual form is nothing but what? VPC. In a VPC, we can able to create a n number of networks. N number of networks, please. This is your VPC. This is my VPC. It is my friend's VPC. Got it very clearly. For example, this is your office network. This is my office network. This is your friend's office network. Got it very clearly. So, but these networks are private networks, so no one can enter without any permissions. Got it? So based on the permission only, outside people can access, or else they can't be. How exactly your office network we can able to create n number of networks in AWS, just like your office network. Got it? So after successfully creating a network, on top of it we can able to create a server by helping of EC2. EC2 is nothing but what? Elastic Cloud Compute. Elastic Cloud Compute. Compute is nothing but what? Computing power like RAM, CPU, disk. We calling as what? Computing power. This computing power we can able to get it over an internet in elastic form. Flexibility, increase, decrease is nothing but what? Flexibility. A flexible kind of computing power we are going to be getting from internet. That's what we call as what? EC2. 1E, 2Cs. That's what? EC2. By helping of EC2 we can able to get a service. Just like your computer, how exactly your computer has the same kind of components we are going to be getting from server also. By using what exactly components available in your laptop, the same kind of components are also we are going to be using in your server also, like CPU, operating system, disk, RAM, firewall, whatever may be. But your computer is for a browsing purpose, like a home purpose, but server is for deploying our applications. But in AWS, the server we calling as what? Instance. So let us understand one small example. You can let me give a good one example. We can understand more about that. What is the cloud? So for example, I want to deploy a hardware kind of application. I want to deploy a hardware kind of applications. For deploying this application, what we require first? First, we need to build a network. Under this network, we are going to be create a server. On top of this server, we deploying a hardware application. After successfully deploying our hardware application on top of the server, we can able to access over an internet as a website. That's it. No. But what about customer information, like login information? Where exactly we can able to maintain? In database? By using RDS, we can able to get it what? Databases. databases like MySQL, Oracle, or any kind of databases, the customer information we are going to be maintained in a tabular format. That's it. But what are the purpose of Hotstar? Please tell me. What are the purpose of Hotstar? Please tell me. Movies. If it is a Blu-ray kind of movie, Blu-ray printed movie, please. It is around maybe 3 GB or 6 GB of data, around roughly. But can able to insert into the table in a database table? No, it is not possible. That's the reason we are going to be using S3, simple storage service. S3 just like your online bucket, online storage. We can upload, we can download any kind of data, like audio, video, text, PDF, anything we can place. That means by helping of VPC, by helping of EC2, by helping of RDS, by helping of S3, we can easily our applications. Server is nothing but what? Please tell me. EC2. VPC is nothing but what? Network. RDS is nothing but what? Database. S3 is nothing but what? Storage. Got it very clearly, all of you, please. I hope you understood very clearly. Let me repeat. VPC just like your office network. EC2 just like your server, which you have your laptop, which are all the components, same component in the server also. We can deploy the application. RDS is nothing but database. S3 is nothing but what? Storage, just like your Google Drive. How exactly Google Drive works? The same S3 also. It is external storage. Got it? So by helping of these all infrastructure, we can able to get these all the infrastructure from AWS cloud, and we are going to be deploying our applications on hundreds of production servers by DevOps process. By DevOps. That's it. Understood very clearly, all of you. That is exactly what. So DevOps and AWS. That's the reason we are going to be learning. I'm going to be teaching you complete AWS, complete DevOps. For learning these two courses, Linux basics is required, that I'm going to be covering you, and shell script I'm going to be covering. Got it? Linux basics and shell script. So totally we are going to be covering these all, please. Got it? So before taking questions, please wait. Before taking question, please. Before taking questions, please. So today the demonstration is completed, guys, please. So tomorrow we are going to be starting our regular classes. Tomorrow we are going to be starting our regular classes. Who are all interested, please call to our admin. Please call to our admin. Please call to our admin once again. Let me display my admin numbers. So this is my course content. Please, you can able to get it from Google. So what is course overview, everything, please, you can able to get it. This is the course overview. Go through these ones. And this is DevOps content, what I'm going to be covering, and AWS content. Please look at these ones. Definitely, please. Just wait just 2 minutes. I'll get back to you, please. This is DevOps content. Please go through this. This is AWS content. Go through these ones. Totally around maybe 9 pages. DevOps is totally 18 pages of content. And this is the course overview. Please go through these ones by helping of So I think each and every student got this link, content link. Okay, if not, please let me know. I'll resend one more time. And then, so these are all my admin numbers. Please call to this admin numbers. Got it. So if you are interested, so please join from tomorrow after payment time. Got it very clearly. So tomorrow we will meet with new meeting link. Who are interested, please pay the fee and get the new link, and we'll start from tomorrow onwards regular sessions. Tomorrow onwards we're going to be starting what? Regular classes with a new meeting link. Please call to our admin, please pay the fee and get the new link from our admin, please. Okay, so that's it my end, please. So who want to talk to me, please wait. Definitely I'll talk to you, please. Okay, but first I need to clarify each and every chat box questions first. Okay, first question. So any questions, please? Sir, I'm currently sir, can you sir, hi sir, can I know what projects we will be develop and end to end with these tools? Yeah, Naveen, we are going to be covering so end to end projects for implementing this DevOps process. We are going to be learning totally 4 projects, Naveen, please, live projects. Currently I'm working and my office timing 7:30 a.m. but 4:30 I miss if I might be miss join sessions. So will there be upcoming batches evening or by Rajesh? Please wait. Please call to admin. They will update you, please, if any next batch. Rajesh. So which one will be start first? AWS or DevOps or Linux? Teja, don't worry. That is my responsible. Don't worry, please. I will cover total DevOps, total AWS, Linux basics also, please. So what are the cost of this course? So 12,000 rupees and 12,000. I'm currently working, please. 1 second. Look at the screen once, please. All of you. We're going to be covering, please, what? 12,000 rupees. And you're going to be paying what? We're going to be paying 12,000 rupees for DevOps, AWS, for recording sessions also. So you're going to be getting live classes every day. We're going to be record the session and I'm going to be send you, please, daily class recordings. You will be pay via Google Drive after payment only, please. Ashok. This timings are fixed. Yes, Chaitanya, the timings are fixed. It can't be changed. 8:30 to 9:30 is fixed. It can't be changed, please, in further future end. But or else, if you want to change other batches, like 6 o'clock batch is there, evening 8:30 batch is there, you can shift. But this batch timings are fixed. 8:30 is 8:30. That's it, and it won't be changed then. But if you want to change, but we have another timing like morning 6 a.m., evening 8:30. You can choose anyone, please. But after joining on. Recording expiry after 12 months. As per namesake, after by namesake only, I'm telling 11 months. For date of registration, you can able to access up to 11 months. That is the name of sake only. Name of sake, but it won't be delete any recordings. And Akash, sorry, say no and for your answer right now. So will you taking evening batches? Yes, but not, and it will take 20 days, and after 20 days will start, not immediately. Evening batches will be start after 20 days. I think maybe we not yet decided it. Maybe next batch will be start evening, maybe after 20 days. Rajesh, not immediately, but you can get update from our admin, or else you can see my website. Is anybody want to talk to me? Please wait. I will talk to you, please. At the end of the session, we can talk, please. But let me clarify. Let me clear first chat box questions. Is there any other questions, please? Is there any other questions, please? All of you. Any questions pending, please? Please use this my content, please. Okay. In AWS, what is the difference between software architecture and developer? So software architecture means what? So, or a developer. For example, Shubham, please. For example, so we are going to be learning AWS admin, Shubham, please. What exactly? So application need that infrastructure we're going to be providing. Got it very clearly. But developer is nothing but what? So PaaS, platform as service. We can write the code, we can deploy applications on cloud also directly by using Lambda services, those services, guys. Shubham. That is the difference, please. So I'm going to be covering AWS admin, not developer, please. Shubham. Developer part don't be covered in this course, please. Shubham. I will follow this batch, but I want videos so that I can prepare fast track. Akash, so no one. Akash, what are the question? Akash, please wait. I'll talk to you, please. Akash, please. I will talk to you better. Better. So Akash, simply I can say who are attending live classes only, those people will be get daily classes. And if you want to join, yes, you can join, or else please follow the recording. But daily only we can get it access. But all the classes, all recording sessions, we can get it at a single day. But daily classes only. Every day daily classes only we'll get it. We can get it, Ravi. Please check it once, Ravi. This overview of this document, which I please given, please use this document. Use this. Copy this in the browser. I given, please copy paste in this course overview. Just please go through this first document. Once we can able to get it, course overview, please. Go through this once, Rajesh. Go through this. Definitely, Akash. Please wait. How can I get the content link? Please see. This is a content link, please. Aravind, so got this or not? That is a content link, please. It is a course content link, please. COURSC course content. Please use this link. Okay. Is anybody want to talk to me? Is anybody want to talk to me? Can I rise? Is anybody want to talk to me, please? Can you request in the chat box, please, all of you? So can you request in the chat box? So Meena asked this question. I'm not technical background after this course. How can I start up my journey? What is an opportunities, please? Meena, you need to hard work a lot. If it is a non-technical background, please, time is important. That's it. And spend more time. You can able to get up. You can able to achieve your goal definitely. After this course, you can able to get a minimum 1.5 years of experience. You can feel you can manage up to 2 to 2.5 years of experience, up to 3 years. Mean. Akash, yeah, want to talk to me, Akash? Say yes or no in the chat box, please. Yeah, please. Where is Akash? Yeah. So can you talk to me, Akash, please?
Yes, sir. Actually, the thing is like I'm not from a technical background, but
Okay.
I used to Indigo Airlines, and we have an option of internal job posting, wherein they were looking for DevOps,
Okay.
AWS with DevOps. So I thought of applying for that. So what I'm asking is like, can I get the previous batch video so that I can go through the content in a fast track? Because I have an like very limited time for to apply for that. Not I may miss that. So I was thinking to apply for that so that I can at least get some idea about DevOps and I can apply to that internal job posting. Hello. Hello.
Any other persons want to talk to me, Naveen? Naveen, talk to me, please.
Hello.
Please, Naveen.
Hello, sir. So can I know the projects which we are going to develop into and how extended it will be, sir? So it will be an just introduction level or a high level project?
No, and actually what will happen, we're going to be discussing totally 6 models, and like in DevOps, in AWS 4 models, and in DevOps 4 models, and totally 8 models will be covered. Okay, for example, let's say, so we're going to be covering CI/CD model. It's one model I'm talking about. We'll start from the very basics and this model. From the beginning, you can understand each and everything from the beginner can understand this, and we are going to be adding each and every concept.
Okay.
Got it? So after understanding, then so we are going to be implementing each and every concept in the practically. After understanding each and every concept, end of this model will do one real-time project on top of this model. We'll implement end to end. Means it will take for this model, each and every model 3 weeks.
Okay.
Got it? So we understand the basics, advanced, practically each and every concept, then and we are going to implement one real-time case. One real-time case is nothing but a project. This is the flow.
By using all the tools, what we
All
have
the
learned.
yeah.
Okay.
Like what each and every model.
Okay.
That's what 4 real-time project, 4 real-time live projects will be covered. Like that.
Okay. Thanks.
Azit, beta. Please, Ajit, please.
My question is that, like for the development point of view, which course can we cover first? I mean, DevOps or AWS?
Can you repeat the question, please?
Like, which course can I cover first, AWS or DevOps?
No, that is my job only, bro. Don't worry, please. It's okay, please.
So I am right now attending the AWS course from the 9:30. Okay. So can I attend this also, or in the same timing I can cover later?
Okay. One thing, and Ajit, please call to conference call. And please call the admin. They will arrange a conference call. I'll explain this question clearly.
Okay.
Fine. Okay, please. I will clarify this question. Rajesh want to talk to me. 1 second, Rajesh. Rajesh, please.
Yes, sir. As I said earlier, that right now I'll be working from the office. So in the spare time, I am coming and attending the classes. So I might miss some content that you are telling. I have a question that when you will upload the video, sir, so that when I attend the tomorrow class, I'll be up to the mark that you are telling.
Okay, that means, for example, today class conducted, it will be uploaded within 2-3 hours. Actually, within 24 hours, as per institute, within 24 hours. The video will be uploaded as per officially 24 hours, but I'm uploading it within 2 hours. Means, for example, today conduct a class at 8:30, but it will be uploaded before 12. Same day.
Okay, okay, sir. Yeah, yeah, okay.
That
Yeah,
will
that
be
will be
easy.
helpful because tomorrow I can get to the mark. Yeah.
Yeah, tomorrow onwards will be receive recording sessions. Who are all paid to fee, those people will get a recording sessions for tomorrow onwards.
Okay. So earlier, have you any time taken evening batch classes? Because I was following you from past 3 months. I didn't notice you taking evening batches.
The evening batch already we conducted only, but so many demos we have conducted. But evening batch will be maybe next after 2-3 weeks, but not at a fixed demo dates here right now.
Yeah.
Please after a week, please call the admin once. They will help you.
Okay, sir. Right now, currently, I'll be joining in the morning batches. If you start in the evening batches, can I switch over to that?
You can shift.
Because as I have office hours in the morning, that will be helpful. Okay, if that option is available, that will be helpful. Yeah, thank you, sir.
Yeah. Akash, please. What you want? Please tell me. Akash, you want to talk to me? Akash, please, 1 second. So only one person I'm replying all together, na? That's what Akash. That's nothing is different. So each and every student should talk to me, na? That's what. One by one only.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, please, Akash.
Yeah. Sir, actually, I've told you the question. What my problem is, I have to apply for IJP, internal job posting in my company, wherein they are looking for a DevOps engineer. So I thought of applying for that technical background. So I was looking for fast track videos so that I can I can at least get an idea of what things are happening in DevOps. So I was looking for an previous batch videos.
Yeah, understood very clearly. I said we can't.
Okay.
I said I can't.
Because this
If it is possible,
a very limited time.
Not possible. I can't be. That answer was I can't be sure. Daily recording sessions, oral live classes attended, those people will get a daily based only recording sessions. So what are the purpose? If we student can't be understand the concept, can't be practice, by helping of recording videos, the students will be practice. So the next class, the doubts will be clarified. That is the way we are providing videos, and the whole batch videos I can't able to give. That is an answer.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That's it then. Thank you. Thanks a lot. We'll continue tomorrow. So with the new meeting, who are all interested, please pay the fee by today, and will join by tomorrow with the new meeting link. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Please, and Purushottama, please, Purushottam. You want to talk to me, Purushottam? Purushottam, please.
Hello?
Purushottam, please.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Louder, please.
Yeah, I'm new to this DevOps and AWS environment because I'm currently working on the BPMM technology.
Okay.
So, which would be the first better, whether to start with DevOps or with an AWS?
Both and. Which is first, which is next? No, and we should choose both and. By combination of these two courses only can able to get a job, or else he can't do. That's what the full stack. This is DevOps full stack. That's what I'm going to be teaching you: Linux basics, AWS plus DevOps all together.
Okay. So once I complete this, can I clear the AWS certification?
You can do the certification also. Purushottam. You can do certification also.
Okay, thank you.
Hi sir, this is Ajit. Okay, so my question is that like I am doing the AWS courses, right? So can I do that same? I mean, simultaneously can do the same DevOps course with AWS.
Ajit, I said very clearly, call to admin, they will arrange a conference call. You're all my existing student. Am I right? You are my old student, that's what. Please call to admin, they will arrange a conference call, we'll discuss all together at around maybe 12 o'clock. That I said very clear.
Okay.
Okay, Teza. So 80% soft material, like so which I'm not covering in the syllabus, in the classes, that material will be providing you. Please, you can read out. For example, in definition kind of things, please, I will be provided. Please, Teza. Fine, and that's it for today. We'll continue tomorrow. Thanks, Andy. Thanks a lot. Thanks for your time. So we will meet tomorrow with a new meeting link. So who are all interested, please pay the fee and get the link and join from tomorrow. Tomorrow onwards, who are all the paid the fee, you will get a daily recording sessions, and we'll start tomorrow regular classes. Thank you.